Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, August 31st, and today I have some really fun prints and kits and panels and more from Marcia Derse. So this is the first kit that we're going to be sharing with you today. I love, love, love it. I think it's so fun. So once you get a good look at that, I will show you the kit. This is called the 20 Fat Quarter Kit. And of course, as the name implies, it is made with 20 fat quarters. So it goes together and looks somewhat like a crazy quilt, but there is an actual pattern to it. There are two different blocks. If you look really closely, you can see the difference in the two blocks. And the kit includes the pattern and it includes the fat quarters. And while I'm over here, let me show you the big panel from today's collection because it is large. It would be hard to throw over the edge of the cutting table there. So we have this fun alphabet panel in true Marcia Derse style. She definitely has a graffiti collage type combination going on, but this is really, really interesting and it would be fun to fussy cut if you had a particularly artistic person in mind and you wanted to personalize something for them. Or if you wanted to do an I Spy quilt and you wanted something from every letter. And now let me show you some yardage. So this is all called Random Thoughts. We have the kit, the fat quarter bundles, and a panel. And then here's some of the yardage. Georgia and I love this. We think it would be fun to just sew right where the stitching lines are on the fabric. It would make a terrific huge tote bag or one of those big Mondo bags. Marcia Derse's new collection, Random Thoughts, is a culmination of a quiet year. Let's open this one up. Ooh, look how fun that is. Solo beach walks, rainy days, playing toddler board games, and watching a wildflower maze garden grow. All of these memories gathered, considered, and scribbled down into colors, patterns, and shapes. Let's look at this one out loud, too. Simply random thoughts organized in Marcia Derse's favorite way. And this is all by Wyndham Fabrics, and these have numbers on them. That's interesting. We didn't see that when we first opened it up. It's almost like little postcards stitched together. We were musing that this would be a really fun piece for a background of a Laura Heine collage quilt. So if you're not familiar with those, I will link to the Laura Heine collage quilt patterns, but this would be a lovely background piece for one of those. And then we have this piece, which I really like because it is quiet, but it absolutely works well with her other fabrics. Because some of her other stuff has a lot to say, and this is a nice kind of resting point for your eyes. This is also the border piece right here in the kitted quilt. So let's see, we also have this great fat quarter bundle. This has 31 fat quarters in it, plus 1 yard each of the two postcard prints. So this print and this print, 1 yard each of those two, and then all the fat quarters from the entire collection. So lots of fun with Marcia Derse. We have the alphabet panel, the field guide to palette, and this great quilt kit that again is called 20 Fat Quarter Quilt. Very original name. Just a reminder, we still have a few Challenging Fabric Challenge bags available. The Challenging Fabric Challenge this year will give you lots of opportunity to say exactly what you want to say with your quilt. And that's all I can say about that. And just a reminder, in case you're not tired of hearing about it yet, the All Carolina Shop Hop begins tomorrow. So there's going to be a lot going on around here with giveaways and fun stuff happening. And we will start to show you the vendors for our October 15th handmade market starting tomorrow, because it takes that long to show you all of the vendors that we're going to have here from September 1st to October 14th. We're going to be showing you vendors, and they're going to have giveaways for you Monday through Friday, every single video between tomorrow's video and the middle of October. So be sure to stay tuned. Lots and lots of wonderful things to be given away. And I have a lot of fun kind of exploring what the vendors have for sale and sharing those with you. Hope you have a great afternoon. Find some time to sew, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.